Hi friends, how are you all? This is Harshit from Rabat Property Advisory LLP. I want all of you to know that in today's time, post pandemic, and in the era of the technology which is changing every hour or every month or every year, why smaller offices are much in demand and it will drive the future as well. Point number one, day by day the manpower is shrinking, all thanks to new technologies and the cloud computing to cloud kitchens. So our places are getting shrinker, smaller. That is the primary reason for driving these small boutique offices to grow. The second thing will be small offices will have a lesser impact on the pocket of yours when it comes to the monthly maintenance or the property tax. Third will be in places like South Mumbai, where people are already buying their first residential home or a residential property worth 5 to 6 crores, spending almost for 1,000 odd square feet. They are looking at a smaller office space as well, because those houses are not enough equipped. In 1,000 carpet you can't have 200-300 square feet of office space. So they are buying offices next to their home, which is in the range of 200 to 300 carpet, and the budget to spend on that 200 to 300 square feet of offices is not more than 1.5 to 2 crores. That is where the boutique offices will come into play. Third thing would be the smaller office rental yields will at least be 2% more than the larger offices, which were prevailing until 2018-19. Since then, we are seeing the trend of smaller offices coming in other parts of Mumbai. Now, in South Mumbai, this is the first initiative by Lodha Group to come up with a compact offices in the range of 250 to 350 odd square footage, where you will have at least 2% more rental yield than the regular offices, which fetches generally 3 to 4% yield. In a boutique offices you can expect at least 6% yield to start off with, and then it will gradually increase over the longer run. And last but not the least is the capital appreciation. Because you are investing at a price point of only 1.5 to 2 crores, hence there is a lot of scope to get good capital appreciation, and in near future you would see that 300 square feet, 350 odd square feet, after 5 years or 7 years, it will not be possible even to buy a 2.5 to 3 crore rupees. Today you're getting in the same at 1.5 to 1.75 crore Indian rupees. Thank you.